G'day guys, welcome back to the EK Racing channel. Today we're going to be resurrecting our Toyota Camry Derby car, seeing if we can't pull it back out enough to get the wheels to turn and put it in another Derby. So yeah, see how we go. Right, so as you can see, I've got it all strapped to a tree. That should hopefully stop the car from wanting to go back too much. Excavator's ready to go. The back got caved in pretty good. It's split in half, so I'm hoping I can pull the boot floor out a little bit, and then I want to bend that up, probably cut it off. But the main goal is to pull the quarters out and try and get this rear shock tower to go back to where it needs to be, to try and get that wheel to spin better. Don't know if it's going to work. Let's have a crack. Well, that shows how much it was crushed in. I like that. It goes out pretty far. That pulled out really well. Tore a little bit. Didn't really want to tear it. So anyway, might try and hook onto the bottom of the boot and pull that out. Does it do any damage to the front of the car? Doesn't look like it has. I'm making steady progress. So what I really got to do is, it's hard to tell from here, but I've got to get this strut tower, this part of the parcel shelf, that side never broke, so it's okay. This side pushed forward. So I've got to try and hook onto it somehow and pull it backwards. And I'm thinking I'm just going to knock a hole in it and jam a chain in there. It's probably going to be the only way to do it. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, sun is shining, it's almost lunchtime. Have another couple of cracks at it, and then we'll have a break and see if any of it's actually going to be worth doing. Righto. So as you can see, we've pulled it out a fair bit. Pretty happy with that. She's fairly crunched. I reckon if we just grab onto the control arm and rip that back a bit, that should get that to spin. This side wheel now, if I put a tyre on it, that should spin and drive. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. We'll just see how we go. It's obviously a lot of work, but I still think it's better than building a whole nother car. It's just for a little derby. It's not, I'm just going out there to have fun. Who cares? But anyway, see how we go. Now we're just going to try and pull the rear end out a little bit. I climbed underneath and I found a control arm that's bent, so we'll lift the car up and try and straighten the control arm out somehow. It's all sunny, but I do have my little helper with me now. So Lincoln's here, ready to go, and he'll operate the machine for me. So get the one on this side and push it, slowly push it forward. Left hand forwards now. Well, go with your right hand and go back slowly, and it should lift up. Righto, wait. I don't know if it'll sit on that, but anyway.
Get down, get forward.
Just slowly go forwards. Keep going forward, keep going forwards. Keep going. All right, stop. Lift your blade up, which is that, yep. All right, that'll do. Now track backwards. So that's, yep, that's them ones. Go back, pull it back to you. Good. Stop, just look.
Reverse.
That's in reverse. I just gotta take the wheel off on the other side. You always gotta stop and play with the dog.
Can't make this fit in.
Hey. Yeah, hit it. Hold it flat. Whoa, that's enough. I'll show you a trick. I know, the trick is, don't take it all the way off. Try to stop when the nut's just at the end. So, instead of holding it...
To do that.
Yeah, but no, because then once you've popped it off, you can just pop this on. Watch out, you're doing it up. Lefty-loosey, man, lefty-loosey. You just pop that off, that's easy, alright? Don't worry, if we need to, you can just put them there. Right, so the trick, watch now, let me do this one. See what my finger's doing? On, just little squirts.
Guys, it should be at the end.
It is, but it's jammed in there, see? Turns out I'm not very good at this, Lincoln. It's cross-threading it. Oh. Hang on. Wait. Show you a trick. Just give it a kick. Not with your toe, but like a kick there. Watch out. Watch your fingers. There it is. Get rid of it. Righto, so we got the back wheel off. As you can see, control arm's bent. And I believe that's what's making it go forward. So I'm hoping I can just put a jack underneath that, jack it up, and that'll straighten the control arm out and move the suspension towards the back and make the wheel sit in the center. If not, I've got a chain hooked to Lincoln's excavator. So we'll see how we go. Let's see what happens. Alright, maybe if we put a little bit of weight on the roof. Lincoln, jump in your excavator, man. Well, you just put your right hand to the right again, slowly. You're just rolling your bucket some more. Keep going. That'll do.
I just made a dent in the wheel.
That's fine, buddy. Lift this side of the car up so I can take the jack stand out. And then lift the other side of the car up so I can change that tyre. And then we can take it for a drive and see if it drives. Need a bit of water, it's not going to hurt nothing. See if it starts. Just turn the key. Lincoln, give it a rev. It smells very rich. The engine noise just changed. So, test drive did good. Test drive was all right.
Yes.
Can smell tyre smoke a little bit. Yeah, you can jump off if you want. Can smell tyre smoke a little bit. So I'd say the back one on this side is rubbing. We just got to... Oi, Lincoln, grab that King's thing before we jump down. Somewhere it is rubbing. I've got a feeling it's in here. Yeah, it's rubbing there. Okay. That's not good. We'll have to fix that. Other than that, it did a lap of the driveway at least. So, oh no. This side might be, yeah, this side's rubbing too. Okay. That's nothing a sledgehammer can't fix. Alright. All in all, I'm happy with that. That'll do for today's progress. And yeah, that'll do. Tune in next time.
I want to do something.
What?
I want to do something.
What are you trying to do?
I want to do the peace sign.